Hi, so this is how to put the avocado butter onto preferably sourdough, but a nation grain we've used today, a nice healthy bread, which is what we've got here. So we've sliced that, put it in the toaster. We've got the tomato salsa, which we made yesterday, all pre-prepared. The avocado butter, which we've used. Really recommend the Joseph. You can just scoop it out. You've got all the little, it's a 3-in-1 device. You can scoop out the stone, cut it in half, and scoop it out into pre-slices, but in this case, scoop it straight out into the blender. So we blitz that, and then we're going to finally put it together. And this is just really how easy it is. So you pretty much scoop on the avocado butter, a nice generous layer there, and then a final bit of the dressing, like so, a little bit of the sauce on top. And there, voila, avocado butter on toast with the tomato salsa.